What's going on, boaters? Behind me is a new 2026 MasterCraft XT22. I'm going to show you guys a few features on this boat. First, you have your red flake and the white. You also get your white graphics and white tower to tie it all together. This boat is going to sparkle in the sun on the water. Coming to the back, we have your red swim platform to match with your gray sea deck. You also get your nice flip down swim step, easy access in and out of the water. Let's jump aboard and look at some inside features. Now on board the boat, you have your two flip up seats in the back, perfect for relaxing while your kids are swimming and hanging out. You have your nice walk through onto the boat so you don't have to worry about getting the seats dirty. You also have your rear convertible seat, so when you're out doing the water sports, everyone can be watching. You have your 4 cup holders down there. Then coming over to the dash, you have your nice big touch screen. Change the wave, anything you want on there. Cool feature in this boat is your battery switch is just right at the helm. Switch that on and off. Then coming into the bow of the boat, you have lots of room up here to hang out, sit, enjoy the water. If you want to see more on this boat, come check it out at MarineMax Nisswa or visit it on our website at MarineMax.com.